Guys, my name is Ryan Schmidt and I'm a third-year finance major at the University of Texas McComb School of Business, and I'm going to be reflecting on my experiences in this course. My two main goals in taking this course were first to become more aware and acquainted with the digital informational tools and resources available to me to help facilitate my academic success. Secondly, acquire more modern digital skills necessary to be competent when beginning my professional career. The first topic I'd like to reflect on would be crafting a search strategy. I learned that crafting a search strategy is incredibly important when utilizing academic databases in order to narrow down the information to specify what you're looking for. Secondly, I learned how crucial it is to come up with keywords to construct proper search strings to narrow down your results. However, with that being said, I'd still like to learn better ways to utilize Boolean operators in my search strings to create more accurate results. And I'm also still a little fuzzy on how to utilize a faceted search with respect to databases. I'd love to learn how to improve my database search skills even more. The second topic I would like to reflect on would be web architecture. Originally, I thought a firewall only monitored incoming network traffic, but it actually monitors both incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security measures. I also learned that the hypertext markup language, otherwise known as HTML, tells the browser how to display the text or graphics on the web page. In the future, I want to learn more about web servers and how they operate with respect to web applications. I would also love to learn different coding languages so that I can individually create a web application that a web client can use. Being able to execute these programs would be incredibly advantageous if I choose to take a career path that is oriented in data analytics. One topic I wish I had covered in this course was web-based data analyst tools. With data becoming the most sought-after industry in the world right now, it would be more than advantageous to learn about some of the data tools available to us. The most valuable skill I learned while taking this course was what copyright actually is and how to avoid violating copyright laws by properly giving credit to someone else's intellectual property. I didn't realize I had previously given credit to artists whose songs were playing in the background of my videos on my YouTube channel, but I didn't pay for the rights. So I realized I had to go back and take their music off my videos. Now I know how to be protected from violating copyright laws in the future in schoolwork assignments or even when giving a presentation in the workplace. Well, thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you enjoyed my reflection on taking INF 303 at UT.